Hi everyone, this is Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we will talk about the fourth kind of adverb that is known as adverb of frequency. Definition of adverb of frequency is an adverb which tells us that how often an action takes place is called adverb of frequency. What are the adverb of frequencies? Always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, never, seldom, normally, frequently, consistently, hourly, ever, and generally, scarcely ever. Note among the above adverbs of frequency, the mentioned seven adverbs of frequency are commonly used, which cover the 0% to 100% in every daily life sentences. We have got some more than 10, but the seven are the adverb of frequencies which are always used to cover your 100% of percentages in any sentence. Number one, we have got always. Second, usually. Third, often. Fourth, sometimes, occasionally. Fifth, sixth, rarely. And seventh, never. So here we have got the maximum percentage of always is 100% and minimum is 100% and maximum is always 100. Average percentage is 100. He always comes late means there are 30 days. Out of 30 days he comes late 30 days. This is known as the adverb of frequency always. Number second is less in percentage than always. Usually is minimum 75 and maximum 90. The average percentage is 85. He usually comes late. If I say usually comes late, it means out of 30 days, he comes late 26 days. 4 days he may be regular, but for 26 days he is late. Often is minimum 60 and maximum 85 and average percentage is 70. He often comes late. It means this is all about 70%. Out of 30 days, he may come 20 days late and often he is late. Only 10 days he is regular. Next we have got sometimes. It is minimum 30, maximum 60%, and average percentage is 55. He sometimes comes late. It means out of 30 days, he is absent some 27 days, 17 days, but 15 to 13 days again on time, 17 days that is late. Occasionally is minimum 25, maximum 45, and average percentage is 40%. He occasionally comes late means out of 30 days he comes late 10 days or 12 days, but regular he is regular 18 days. Rarely is minimum 10 and maximum 30, average is 25. He rarely comes late. Rarely comes late means out of 30 days he may come late for 8 days, but 22 days he is on time. Never is 0% and maximum as well 0. He never comes late means 30 days are there, he is regular 30 days. He never makes absences. 0 percentage, that is he's late 0%. So hope this slide is clear to you. Let's a little bit more discuss about the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency answers the WH word how often an action takes place. Adverb of frequency takes mid position. You are going to bring them at the mid of your sentence. The places of adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency come between the subject and its main verb. It is your subject and main verb is ignore. It comes over here in between. You always ignore him. We sometimes read books. We is your subject and read is your main verb which is coming in between. Number two, adverbs of frequency come after the be forms. What are the be forms? Is RM. He is rarely late and she is always absent. Number three, adverbs of frequency come between helping verb and its main verb. Have is your helping verb and seen is your criticized is your main verb. So never and always are your adverbs of frequency. I have never seen him before. They have always criticized you. Number four, adverbs of frequency usually come between the helping verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. You should never have teased him. In this sentence, your helping verb is should or modal auxiliary verb should, and in the same way it is in between the helping verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. Now have is again your helping verb. So you should never have teased him. Ali should never have gone there. Number five, adverbs of frequency come before have to, has to, and used to. You never have come on time. Now, never have come on time before have. She usually has to complete her works. And here has to. I sometimes used to teach grammar in 2024. Here it is coming before have to, has to, and used to. Note, if you want to bring seldom or rarely at the beginning of sentence, the helping verbs come at the beginning right after seldom and rarely. Keep in your mind, if you want to bring it after at the beginning of the sentence, the helping verb comes at the beginning. Over here, the helping verb will come at the beginning before your subject. After the seldom and rarely, you will put your helping verb directly. Seldom I have seen them, and rarely have we played with them. So you will say, seldom have I seen them, rarely have we played with them. Here you will not say, seldom I have seen them and rarely we have played with them. With seldom and rarely, you will put the helping verbs directly after your adverb of frequency. So hope this is clear to you all. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the next lecture. Goodbye.